Since you talk to Vincent, I think you did not have anything happen, but in this location. Because we are human beings also, we know law, we know things. We are fighting for peace. We want our people also to be in a good life. And we want also to talk as you did it with others. But in a good way, not forgery, not by force, not in local way. We want here to be in international also, but not in the way the people of Uganda say. That one is not good at all. This is what I can say to you. But surely we want to talk with SPLA, and now we are talking also with SPLA. So when we completed this one, we want to go ahead with the program which you told me last time. This is what I say to you. But for me, I'm agree everything because I'm a human being. I want peace also. I want my tribe also to be with good health or a good life. This is what you should know.